Happy POD, miss. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with an unboxing from Gelato. Recently I showed you guys how to create a new account on Gelato and upload your first product. My two samples are here. I ordered a short sleeve shirt and a long sleeve shirt. My total price for the long sleeve shirt was $13.78, and that's with the discount. It was 50% off. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the shirts for you. They both came in white poly mailers. I'm gonna pull out the first item, which is the short sleeve shirt. On the order form, apparel, men's white medium shirt, and my shipping address. And I got it's a gliding soft style. Here is the white shirt. Gonna put it closer so you guys can see it. Looking close up, it looks like it's screen printed. I'm not sure, but it looks like screen printed and it looks a little faded. It does not look like completely dark black. I don't know if you guys can see that if I put it close to the screen, but it just doesn't look fully black. On the screen it kind of looks fully black, but not here. But this is a medium. This is my size. The shirt looks good. I don't see any stains or things like that. That shirt looks good other than, to me, the print. The long sleeve shirt, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Looking to see if it came with a paper inside, and it didn't. The long sleeve shirt is white as well, but I got the comfort colors and I got it in a size medium, and I got the Smile for Me logo on here in purple and black. Smile for me. That's super cute. I'm sure you guys are going to see me wearing this in a video. I love it. The purple is the exact color purple. This black looks better than the black on the t-shirt, if you guys can see that. But the purple is the exact hex code. I do see like a little ring around the black, like a little extra color, but it doesn't bother me. Other than that, it looks really good. The print looks amazing. I'm excited to wear this. I have on a purple shirt today. You guys are going to see me in a lot of white, purple, black, and gray for the next year, and probably even leopard. That was my unboxing of a Gelato t-shirt in the Gildan soft style and the long sleeve comfort color shirt. I am pleased with both of my shirts other than what the ink looks like. I don't know what it'll look like after I wash it. I don't know if I'll do an update video at all, but those are my two products that I bought from Gelato. Again, make sure you check out the videos where I set up an account and upload my first product.
Thanks so much for watching. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.